The following data the following data are taken from the following data are taken from the steam table. Steam table. Temperature, degree centigrade. Pressure, kgf per centimeter square. One 40, 160, 170, 190. 3.685, 6.302, 8.076, 12.575. Use Lagrange. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to compute the pressure at temperature 165 degrees centigrade. 165 degrees centigrade. Now we'll write the formula. Let us take this is x0, x1, x2 and x3. This is y0, y1, y2 and y3. First I'll write formula. Y equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0 plus x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, y2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. This is the formula to calculate, to interpolate that temperature. Now substituting here, our x is actually 165. So y of 165 equal to 165 minus x1 is 160, 165 minus 170, 165 minus 190 divided by x0 minus, that is 140 minus 160, 140 minus 170, 140 minus 190 into y0. Y0 is 685 plus 165 minus x naught means 140. 165 minus x2, that is 170. 165 minus 190 divided by x1 is 160. 160 minus 140. 165 minus 170. 165 minus 190 into y1, that is 6.302 plus x is 165 minus x naught 140. 165 minus 160. 165 minus 190 by this x2 is 170. 170 minus 140. 170 minus 160. 170 minus 190 into y2 8.076 plus x is 165 minus x naught 140. 165 minus 160. 165 minus 170 by x3 is 190. 190 minus 140. 190 minus 160. 190 minus 170 into 12.575. 12.575. So now calculating here 5, here minus 5 minus 25 by minus 20 minus 30 minus 50 into 3.685 plus 25 minus 5, this is minus 25 by 20 minus 5 somewhere wrong here. This is 160 minus x1 means 160, here 160, here also 160. So minus 10, this is minus 10 minus 30 into 6.302 plus here 25 into this is 5, this is minus 25 by 30, 10 minus 20 into 8.076 plus this is 25, this is 5, this is minus 5 by 50, 30, 20 into 12.575, that equal to, here minus will come actually, here 25 into 25 into 25 divided by 600 into 50, 1 by 48 minus 1 by 48 into 3.685 plus that one 625 minus, all minus will go, 625 into 5 divided by 6,000, 3 into 6, 6,000, 25 by 48. into 6.302. Here plus, here minus cancel, plus 25 into 25 into 5 by 3 to 6,000. This also 25 by 48. 25 by 48 into 8.076. Last one is actually minus 25 into 5 into 5 divided by 50 into 30 into 20. 1 by 48 into 12.575, that equal to minus 1 by 48 into 3.685 plus 25 by 48 into 6.302 plus 25 by 48 into 8.076 minus 1 by 48 into 12.575 equal to 7.1498. 1498. This is the required answer.